Now here we are going to integrate the function x square minus 2 the whole cube with respect to x. So we name this function as y. So let I be equal to, okay, so let us call the integral rather as I. Let I be equal to integration of x square minus 2 the whole cube dx. Now first we expand this using the identity a minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So let us expand this. X square minus 2 the whole cube. So this would be a cube, that is x square the whole cube minus 3a square b. Now a square, that is x square square into b is 2, plus 3 into a, that is x square into b square, that is 2 square, minus b cube, that is minus 2 cube. So if we simplify this, we obtain x raised to 6. Now 3 2s is 6 into x raised to 4 plus, now this is 4 into 3, so that is 12x square minus, this is 8. So we just replace this, okay, over here. So we have integration of x raised to 6 minus 6x raised to 4 plus 12x square minus 8 dx. And now we integrate the terms individually. Now integration of x raised to 6 is x raised to 7 upon 7 minus 6 is the coefficient. Now integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5 plus 12 is the coefficient. Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3, and integration of 8, which is a constant, so it is 8 times x plus c. Now if we simplify this further, we get x raised to 7 upon 7 minus 6 times x raised to 5 upon 5. Now this could be reduced further, 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So plus 4x cube minus 8x plus c. So this is the required value. Thanks for watching this video.